Believe it or not, there was a time when a discussion about sponsored brand campaign structure would never have taken place. For the first several years of sponsored brands, Amazon didn't provide us with the capability of creating ad groups, leaving us fairly limited in terms of structural strategy. Nonetheless, in October of 2022, a new opportunity emerged. Amazon launched ad groups for sponsored brands. Along with these novel features, they also permitted us to have multiple creatives within a single ad group. Immediately, we began experimenting with various setups and strategies, striving to gain an advantage over competitors before they had time to adapt. So far, we've encountered a few anomalies with sponsored brands as the Amazon Ads team continues to refine this product in real time. One conspicuous issue that became immediately apparent to us was that if you have multiple creatives in an ad group, Amazon will assign nearly all impressions to just one creative, irrespective of performance compared to other creatives in the ad group. The solution to this was clear. We needed to adopt single creative ad groups. This approach aligns well with our convictions about the significance of using single product ad groups in sponsored product campaigns. As a reminder, in most cases, we prefer single product ad groups to enable clearer reporting around which keyword is driving how many sales for which product, and it also facilitates adjusting the bids for each individual keyword to product pair as performance dictates. We apply this principle to sponsored brands as we examine different creatives independently, segmented by ad groups, in order to accurately measure the performance of a keyword and creative pair. Now, there are multiple elements that constitute the sponsored brand creative, which will function as modifiable variables for testing. From headline to featured image to actual product selection, we aim to ensure that we have a clear ad group structure in place to properly analyze our creatives. This way, we can discern which style performs best so we can channel more spend behind the top performers while also extracting insights for any future creatives we may implement. In a later lesson, we'll delve into the advanced tactic of single keyword campaigns for sponsored brands. But in this lesson, we'll only skim the topic lightly and save the rest for later. So with that, let's dive into the sponsored brand ads, single creative ad groups campaign structure.